Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you are, look at that, if you're a pool enthusiast, you might want to get yourself a glove. So this one here is a glove, kind of has some of the information on it, on the back, right there. I can see it, you couldn't. And it comes packaged as such in here. And this one here is XXL, so it might be a little bit large on me. My hands aren't quite huge, but let's see. Okay, let's go ahead and try it on. So, I guess it's gonna go as such like that. So now, as I'm doing my thing, it'll slide on there. So I can just go and hit a ball. I don't even know where my cue ball is anymore. Here, if I was going to hit my cue ball, I didn't take the tag off, but you get the idea. It's gonna give me a nice smooth hit. I got it. I didn't do a very good aim, but you got it. So if you need a glove for your pool game, this looks like a really good one to me. Very nice. Thumbs up.